Okay, well, I have a couple things to talk about here today and show you. First off, I want to mention I've been in contact with Antec, and Antec has agreed to help sponsor this project. They are in the process of sending me some fans for this, which is really cool. We're going to get some LED fans to replace out the stock ones in here, and they're also going to send me a cooler H2O 920 CPU cooler, the liquid cooled cooler. We're going to put that in here and give that a try. So we're probably going to change up our water cooling ideas then. I still will probably make the mount for the radiator and stuff and put that in there, or at least get it ready to put in there in case we water cool the video cards in the future and want to use it for that. But anyway, I just wanted to get that mentioned, that Antec is helping sponsor this, and really excited about that. I can't wait to get the parts. They should be in later this next coming week, so I can show them to you when they come in. But anyway, we had painted the top covers here, and I ran into the same type of problem. I don't know if maybe this won't show it very good, but we had orange peeling in the paint again. I don't know what's causing that. I got in touch with the people I bought the paint from. They didn't know what was causing it. They told me to contact the manufacturer to see if they had any ideas what might be causing it. But anyway, this is going to all have to be wet sanded down too, so we're really going to have to take some time to get this thing all wet sanded out and get rid of all this orange peel. This painting has really been tough on this case. I don't think I've had that much trouble before with paint. But anyway, moving on to this front piece. We had mounted in this front piece we made for the two fans on that side. And the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to make another dust cover like we had made for this side. Can't really get that in there with one hand. But if you guys remember when we did this Antec build originally, I had made that custom dust cover for it. So I'm going to make something similar for this side here to cover where these two fans are, so we won't end up sucking a bunch of dust and stuff into the case. So I picked up some wooden dowel, same thing that I had used to make the framework on the other side, and we're going to cut this down and stuff and try to get the framework made out, and then we can stretch the fabric over it. Okay, we got some parts in for our build. First up, Antec had sent us our box of parts from them. I want to thank them very much for helping sponsor this build. As you can see, we got the cooler H2O 920 here that they sent us, as well as 8 of these Antec 3 red LED fans that we'll be using in the builds. And also, I just got a box today of some stuff in from Frozen CPU that I was waiting on. We got some LEDs from them, and also a sleeved LED kit that we got to use inside the case. So I just wanted to show you that stuff. Well, we now have the new dust cover made and in place for this side. Didn't get a lot of progress done on the case as of yet, because I did end up having to wet sand down the whole chassis as well as the top covers and respray everything again to finally get rid of the last of that orange peel. And it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it now. There isn't any bad spots on it. One problem with spraying black is the toughest color that you can spray. Any defects or any problems you have will show up in it. So it's pretty common in auto body work and whatnot that spraying black is tough. An easy color, if somebody's looking to paint cases and you want something that hides flaws and stuff, white is the best color for it. But as you can see, it looks pretty good now. And I think we are finally to the point where we can start doing some assembly on it. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we'll have a lot more done on this.